Sponsored by Advantage Legal Group.
It's a new day all over.
Welcome back. It's an unfortunate challenge faced by many homeowners right now, a struggle to save homes racing towards foreclosure. Advantage Legal Group's sole mission is to help you hold on to your home and your dignity and to save you money in the long run. Attorney Jonathan Smith is here with a few more recent success stories. We love hearing these because you know that the problems are out there. But are there any changes you're seeing in general in the housing market right now that has an effect?
Yeah, actually. Thank you for having me again today.
Great to have you here.
We're seeing that the market is really hot still, and that prices are still rising in the greater Seattle area, the Puget Sound area, Snohomish, Pierce, King County. We're doing a lot of short sales still, and they're selling within 24 to 48 hours. And then
so that's good news, right?
Yeah.
You're less underwater if the
Right.
price is going up.
Prices are going up, so it makes it easier to negotiate the short sales, and so we're doing a lot of those. We go over that at the seminar, short sales, pitfalls, things to look out for, because a lot of people are really underwater still, or they're so far behind there's just no way to get caught up.
Your free seminars are a great place for people to start because there's information there that they can trust. Sometimes when you're in trouble, you reach out, you're a little bit desperate, you do things you shouldn't do, and we want people to take a moment. We're going to tell them how to get to a free seminar at the end of this segment. But talk us through some of these things that have gone well. You have 4 examples of things that you guys have been able to do to help homeowners. What is the first one here?
Yeah, we had somebody that came in, we did a mortgage mediation for them. Their loan balance was about $360,000. I think they were a Citibank loan. Their old payment was about $2,900 a month, and we were able to drop their interest rate from 5.875 down to 3.65, and they reduced their payment down to $2,100 a month, which and got them current again, so they're pleased.
And it's manageable on a fixed basis, so that's good. Let's see the next one.
And those are PITI payments, which means principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. So
the whole
it's fully
thing.
Loaded, right?
Good. There's nothing left over to pay, you know, every 6 months that scares you.
Exactly.
All right, this one.
All right, the next one is $292,000 balance. The old payment was $2,150 per month, and we were able to cut the interest rate from 5.75 down to a 4% fix for 40 years, which dropped their payment down to $1,670 a month. I don't know what percentage drop that is, but you know they were behind for whatever reason. They couldn't get caught up. They couldn't get a modification done, and we were able to renegotiate this using the Washington State Foreclosure Fairness Act to force the bank to come to the table to renegotiate their loan.
And that's the law people need to know about. They need to have a counselor and attorney, right, to be able to make the bank come to the table. But if you can't get them to negotiate, obviously you can't get to these kinds of results. Let's see our third story.
In this case, it was a smaller balance, $124,000. The old payment was about $960 per month, fully loaded. We were able to reduce that person's interest rate from 6.25 down to 4% fixed for 40 years. Gave them a new payment of $735 a month. You'll notice in some of these cases we're actually still able to get interest rates that are below market. Current market rates are 4.4%.
Are they that high now?
Still getting below that in many cases.
4% is pretty good, no matter when you're getting that. Okay, and our last example of somebody who really got some relief here.
Okay, these folks have a $360,000 balance. I believe they are in a trial modification period, which means we don't know a lot about the final numbers yet. But they had a $2,560 a month mortgage payment, and we got that down to $1,765 a month. And I'm assuming that that will be approximately the final payment once the trial mod is concluded in about 3 months.
And I'm guessing the clients get a lot of relief out of just knowing what's coming down the track at them.
Absolutely. Getting this nightmare from 2008 behind them, you know, from that hole. It's been 5 years now we've been going through this. To get this settled, get it behind them, get the peace of mind that they've been looking for, and get back on track so they can get on with their lives.
Jonathan, thank you so much. Advantage Legal Group has 3 free foreclosure defense seminars coming up tomorrow, Wednesday, August 21st at 7 p.m. at the Tacoma Convention Center. Also Thursday, August 22nd at the Lenwood Convention Center. And this gets underway started at 7 p.m. and Saturday, August 24th at 10 a.m. at the Bellevue Coast Hotel. We posted all of that information as well on our website, so please go there and look to be sure I've got this right, and you can also find contact information for Jonathan. We'll be right back. Thanks.